Hello, my YouTube friends. Dave Wilson here. I think I figured out where I got that tagline, you might call it. It's from Brian Vines. I'm going to put a link to his channel. He's a great guy to watch. Speaking of that, I watch a lot of people's YouTube channels, and they do a lot of printer reviews, printer builds. I don't really do that. I just like to build things, make things that interest me, and then if they turn out well, I try to put them on my YouTube channel. But I take the time to try to find things that are a little unusual and give them a little bit of press to them. But I've had my clocks working, so I've got 6 of them here. These are the 2 with all the gears showing, and they're actually running at about the right time. This one is interesting in that it has no visible gears, and it runs. Then I've got 3 over here that are running at different speeds, just as a test. This one's running backwards very fast. This one's running forwards even faster, I think, or about the same speed. And this is the geared clock running really fast. Just like to do that to test the gear train and see how they run. And also, it shows you how all the gears work on this one. But they're a lot of fun to build. I'm going to put links to them. But these are great designs and just a lot of fun to build. And had some learning experiences and got to redesign a few things. And what's neat about these especially, there's no visible gearing. It's all done through these gears right here. And I'll probably show you this one a little bit easier. But you can see the gears turning. And so the one is the minute hand and one the hour hand. And what's interesting about these is I can put different parts in it and change the color very easily. So this is what stays stationary and just shows the minute marks, or 5-minute marks. And then the hour hand goes in the back, the minute hand in the front. Whoa! And it just drops in. Sorry about the excellent camera work there, but then it runs a lot better slowly. And I just have to paint the hands. I'm thinking about getting some glow-in-the-dark paint and give that a try. But it's really easy to change the setup. And the electronics on this is very simple. It's a little motor, and then a motor driver board, and a Ardinio nano. That's what's actually running all these clocks. Is you can see that at the bottom there. And I had to redesign this a little bit, so it's actually a mashup of a couple different designs. But just wanted to share this with you, and I'd sure like to hear any questions. Again, I'll put links on these, and they've been a lot of fun to play with. Learned a lot, and what I do like is it's a little redesigning, some printing, and then a lot of, or a little bit of programming, since the Arduinos have to be programmed, which is really easy. If you've done any Marlin or Clipper programming, it's a lot easier to do the programming on the Arduino. But thanks for watching.